Now, this video is to show how Layla comes out of her shell, but you will never see that for the first 2 to 3 days that you meet the dog. Ow, ow. Who wants a toy? Ow. Who loves me? Who loves me? Come here. Oh. 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 Oh, stop it. Oh. Who loves me? And who will love somebody else if they give her time? Oh. Come here. Come on. Oh. Oh, we love our other doggy Fosters. They don't like us so much because you're in their space, especially the little Chihuahua. Who loves me? You want a toy? Oh, you want this toy? Oh. Who is sweet and gentle? But nobody will see that for 2 to 3 days. So if they come to meet you, you won't show this side. But if they take you home, you will, because you are not shy. You just play the role. Right? Right? Oh. Right? Tell everybody out there. Oh, Renard, stop it. Right? Give me kisses.